The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is still quite a few months away, but that hasn't stopped the leak machine from spinning into action. And thanks to some new reports, we're getting our first real glimpse into what this Ultra flagship might bring to the table. Let's start with the camera, because that's where most eyes are. According to well-known tipster at PandaFlash Pro, Samsung is planning to stick with the same 200-megapixel main camera sensor found in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That might sound a little disappointing at first, but there's more to it. This time around, Samsung is reportedly upgrading the pixels and adding a new lens setup, which could result in better image clarity, improved low-light performance, and faster focusing, even if the sensor itself stays the same. So, while it might not be a revolutionary change, we could still see a noticeable bump in photo quality. Now let's talk about the S Pen, something that truly sets the Ultra series apart. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will continue to include the dedicated S Pen slot, which is a relief for stylus fans. However, the leak also mentions that future models may remove the S Pen slot altogether. If true, that could mean Samsung is planning a design shift, possibly focusing more on slimness or modularity. But for now, the S Pen lives on. One feature that's not making its way into the S26 Ultra is Qi2 magnetic charging support, at least not natively. The leak confirms that, just like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the S26 Ultra won't include a built-in magnetic ring for wireless charging accessories. That means if you want to use Qi2 compatible magnetic chargers or mounts, you'll still need to rely on a compatible case, which has the magnets built in. This might come as a surprise to some, especially with more Android brands embracing magnetic charging tech similar to Apple's MagSafe. But for now, Samsung seems to be sticking with its own accessories strategy. Now, while these changes might feel subtle, it doesn't mean the S26 Ultra will be a boring upgrade. Earlier leaks have already hinted at some major internal improvements, including a variable aperture camera system, a larger battery, and a massive performance leap, likely powered by the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. These under-the-hood changes could make the S26 Ultra a powerhouse, especially for photography and gaming. So here's the big question. Is Samsung playing it safe with a familiar design and camera setup, or are they quietly laying the groundwork for a much more powerful and refined user experience? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, this is just the beginning of the Galaxy S26 Ultra story. More leaks, more features, and possibly some surprises are still to come.